a good song. I think it has a potential to win. But what? Beautiful song. Hello. So which country are you supporting? For you?
Farm, and I like Switzerland. I like the Nemo the last year the best. Yeah.
Every year, millions across Europe and beyond tune into one of the world's most unique music events, the Eurovision Song Contest. But how it all began? Born in 1956 in Switzerland, Eurovision was created by the European Broadcasting Union as a way to bring people together through music. In a continent healing from the scars of World War II, just 7 countries performed that night. But today, it's global celebration of culture, creativity, and unity. It's more than a contest. It's a stage of voices, diversity, and shared joy, where every performance tells a story and every fan is part of that magic. But hosting this global celebration is no small task. From the moment Switzerland won the bid, preparation began. Stage designs, security plans, fan zones, massive LED installations, and turning city squares into open-air concert spaces. Streets light up with Eurovision colors. Food stalls pop up, selling everything from fondue to falafel, and thousands of fans from across Europe arrive with flags, cheers, and pure excitement. The cost between 25 million to 40 million euros, a combination of public funds, sponsors, and broadcasting contributions. But the return is much greater. Hosting Eurovision can generate 60 to 100 million euro in revenue through tourism, hotels, restaurants, and international media exposure. For local businesses, it's a gold mine. For the city, It's a moment of pride. And this pride was lit up in 2024 when Nemo, a non-binary artist from Bean, won the Eurovision Song Contest with their bold and beautiful song, The Code. Nemo made history, not just as a performer, but as a symbol of courage, identity, and artistry. Their victory was the spark that ignited a cultural wave across Switzerland.
Which country are you supporting?
What?
Which country are you supporting?
India.
India! Remember Monday. Yeah, and what the hell is happening? Yeah, fantastic. All the best. It's a good song. I think it has a potential to win. But what is your prediction?
Maybe, yeah, I think it might
Fernandes.
get maybe left hand side, but maybe right hand side. I don't know. I think Sweden might win.
Sweden might win.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if your prediction comes true. all the best. Bye bye.
Hey.
Spain.
Yeah.
Beautiful song. What is a song title?
Diva.
Diva. And
Diva.
Diva. Diva. I know. I've heard this song. It's a beautiful song.
Yeah.
And Spain is also one of the big five.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I wish you all the best, and I wish that your country wins.
No.
And I'm also wishing that Switzerland wins, so that we can have this Eurovision once again.
Oh well. I'm probably coming back.
Okay. Good. All the best. I wish all the best for the Poland. Yeah, from Germany. You're from Switzerland. Zoe, Moe, Voyage. I'm from India. For me, I like this one, Armenia, Park, and I like Switzerland. I like the Nemo the last year the best. Yeah. And then a few more, right? And then France, I like it. Yeah. Finland is also good. Yeah, I like it. He like all the girls. Hello. So which country are you supporting? For you? Any neutral, come on.
It's like a shopping street.
Eurovision 2025. What a spectacular year! 37 countries stepped onto one of the most iconic stages in Europe, bringing everything from haunting ballads to neon-lit pop anthems. The semi-finals were electric. A mix of drama, culture, and pure Eurovision madness. Then came the grand final. Emotions ran high, the crowd was buzzing, and every vote had us on edge, until one name rose above the rest. Austria's JJ was crowned the winner of Eurovision 2025. Their song, Wasted Love, lit up the stage with heart, style, and a performance that connected with millions. It was a victory for Austria and a celebration for all of Europe. Eurovision 2025 reminded us that in the end, music is what brings us together.